Bread is a staple food in many regions around the world. If we look at the Mediterranean diet, you will find that they eat bread with breakfast, lunch, and dinner at times. In the Middle East and Southwest Asia, they love their bread. However, did you know that some types of bread can be healthier than others? Here are 7 things you should know about bread. Number 1. The thinner bread varieties such as Pita, Roti, Chapati have less carb per serving compared to other breads. Eating a whole pita has less or equal amounts of wheat than one slice of a loaf-type bread. Chapati bread is made from a blend of whole durham wheat flour, Atta, that has more protein so it doesn't spike your blood sugar as quick as white flour. If you must eat a loaf-style bread, whole wheat sourdough bread is considered healthier and easier to digest because it's fermented and predigested. This process also makes nutrients more bioavailable. Number 4. Whole wheat bread in general is considered healthier than the regular refined white bread since the flour has more protein, nutrients, and fiber. Number 5. A lot of the wheat these days have been modified through breeding methods, so when it comes to choosing bread, look for unbleached certified organic whole wheat flour. Organic whole wheat will guarantee it has not been bred, which gives you the most nutrients. Number 6. Bread mixed with other whole grains such as barley, rye, millet, amaranth, spelt, and so on, can give you more nutrients and may regulate blood sugar levels. Number 7. Beware of multigrain or whole wheat breads that are marketed as healthy. Ingredients should be no more than 4 to 5 ingredients and should be free of refined oils, sugars, and preservatives. Thanks for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for other videos about mindful and healthy eating.